What's up, guys? Today we are finally going to set these guys in place. So I got this set here that came everything that I used to build this engine, mostly it was in here. I didn't use anything related to the intakes because my intake is all aftermarket, and it comes with those two in here. There's no much way to get it wrong because it's just not gonna work. So you get in here, it would be logic to have blue as the intake, and that's the blue. So we're gonna do this. Clean this area here. I already cleaned, so I spray brake cleaner and clean with a shop towel. And now you start pushing this in place. It is actually very tight. I'm surprised. So we got one down, so that's how it works. So blue is code, so it's for the intake, and black is for the exhaust. Okay, and again, don't forget to clean this here. I already did, just did. Yeah, just double check, triple check, and let's go with the black one. So if you put in place and push, it goes all the way in the groove, and then you see it kind of cracks. It does, like you can feel it. That's hitting the bottom, and it's very, very tight. I'm actually when I did the Eclipse, you need to put some ultra gray to keep it in place, and this is very impressive, to be very honest. Okay, so we're gonna get that. I'm gonna put that in here. Okay, so we're gonna start from this side, right where this joins here, 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 and here. We are gonna put some ultra gray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some on my fingers, and I am going to put some in there and some in here. I'm not gonna be I'm gonna put some in there, and when I squeeze, I want this to be in a place. So okay, same thing here. We have a few minutes before it dries. There you go. All right. All right, dude. Just a little bit. And now we are gonna get the cold side. Be sure everything is in place again. Oh wow, there was a piece of my glove in there. Okay. All right. That's in there. This is in here. I'm not going to squeeze yet. And same thing in here. Sure is in place. All right, so now we're gonna get the bolts. Okay, my battery died. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm zapping from the center to the outside, and so I got those two. I gotta be quick because of the gasket. So then I go to these guys, and then I can go to the front. 7.5 foot-pound. That was it. I guess the only point is put the gasket material in here on the sides. Still a little wet here and here. And don't wait too much, because you don't want this to be thick to cure, and then you squeeze, because you're not making a whole layer everywhere. Then you're gonna have that thick layer and then nothing. You might have oil escaping from there. So that's why I was running to get this done. I have one problem that I'll fix later. If you see this guy here, it was here. This guy here, it was on the way. Now the top one is loose, but the position that they are in a weird position that I can't touch it. So yeah, fun. Yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. It's a lot more to come. Almost starting this guy. I keep saying that in all the video. I'm not gonna say anything else. Just, I'll see you around.